Yung totoo, accountant ka ba talaga o data encoder? Let's talk about Joy. In terms of skills, magaling siya sa financial analysis. Pero guess what? 8 hours siya sa office, 5 doon, puro encode ng OR, mga resibo, and then the remaining 2, nasa bangko o kaya BIR. So in terms of giving true value sa business owner, analyzing financials, advising the owner, wala na siyang oras at wala na ding energy. Not until they decided to automate their accounting. Imagine, yung software na yung nagre-record ng receipts, invoices, and bank statements. Automatic, papasokin sa system, automated na rin ang recording. Ang trabaho ni Joy, checking of accuracy, and then diretso na sa financial reporting. Biglang nag-iba yung mundo ni Joy, hindi na boring. Mas may time na siya to talk to the boss about the financial standing of the company. Sabi nga niya, finally, accountant na ulit ako, hindi na data encoder. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.